Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Today is Friday, the 5th of April, and as always, guys, we're going to start by looking back at yesterday's trades. And I've actually took a trade this morning based on yesterday's trades. Bear with me, I will explain. And also, guys, if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well, so stay tuned. Let's start with yesterday and what we were looking at. So we were looking at US dollar pairs because they were at nice levels, right? So New Zealand US dollar, this was the candle we were looking at because it was entering into this level. And this level's interesting because, we are in a downtrend, and the market has shown us that this is important resistance and it was once important support. So we know that this area in here is a good level for potential selling. Okay. And like I say, guys, when we were looking at these levels, we just had very bullish daily candles. But yesterday, we got this nice bearish-ish candle form with a nice top wick. Okay, so I've actually entered this trade literally a few minutes ago. So let's understand why. Okay, we're in a downtrend, right? Price has come back up to an important level, and we've got this nice wick rejection. Okay, so that's not enough on its own. So if we drop down to the H1, you will also see we've had a breakdown in structure. So all day yesterday, just didn't get a breakdown. Okay, but this morning we're starting to see a breakdown. Okay, and all I've done is entered on this candle, big bearish candle, breaking these lows. I've entered here. I've put my stop above here, and I'm just looking to take price lower. All right, so I'm in this trade right now, guys. We'll see if it's a successful one. And also, guys, if you would like my trade signals like this, I give you my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy. And you can get it for free at the moment. So check out our promotion. So New Zealand US dollar, I'm in this trade. We're looking to sell it. And it was the same for a few other US dollar pairs. So Euro US dollar, we start with the day chart. Again, when we saw this candle, it was here, right? Okay, so I've gone back a couple of days, but it was still at an interesting level. Okay, and then really we're just looking for a reaction. And if we fast forward, go back to current time, you can see we've had a lovely reaction. All right, but again, it didn't happen yesterday. The trade was this morning. So just to follow structure, bang, at the moving average 20, at a nice area of support and resistance, nice bearish candle. This will be a trade idea for today, just to take price lower. Okay, so and it, and H1 has also started to break down. Now, if we just follow H1 structure, bang, broken structure. That was the last low. Bang, continuation of trend. Okay, so there's a high probability we could take it to this gray zone. Okay, and then the last US dollar pair we were looking at from yesterday was pound US dollar. Exactly the same scenario, right? We are in a downtrend. Prices retraced to a really nice level, was once support, then resistance, has become resistance again. Okay, we've had a nice bearish reaction. Okay, this happened. This was yesterday's candle. We were looking at this candle, right? But we got the bearish reaction. We could start selling. I just chose New Zealand US dollar to start selling. And again, this is broken down on the H1. Clearly broken down. Okay, so if we just follow H1 structure, as soon as that low's broken, I'm interested. Okay, and it's continued down. So those were the US dollar pairs from yesterday, and was also looking at Canadian dollar levels as well. These weren't really trade ideas unless we got a breakdown. And the other one was Euro Canadian dollar. So again, if we look at the day chart, I still like this for sells. right? Just followed trend. Yeah, was in a uptrend. Okay, lots of consolidation, and then price has started to break down. Okay, so we're in a downtrend. Okay, we're at an interesting level. You know, there is also support and resistance in here. Okay, so we're in a downtrend and we're at a nice level in terms of the moving average 20. So we didn't get a setup here yesterday, but potentially today, this is still a good sell. If we drop down to the H1, you know, we just didn't get the breakdown with these Canadian dollar pairs. So with the US dollar pairs, we got the H1 breakdown. So I entered, again, not rocket science, what I show you guys. Whereas Canadian dollar pairs haven't broken down. Yeah, and just follow H1 structure. Excuse my drawing. Yeah, it hasn't broken down, but I'll be interested in this level. Price does this, I'm interested. Okay, and the other one was Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Was interested in the level because yes, you know, we were getting into this grey zone. Yeah, but we just never had a setup. Yeah, and buyers continued to push this up. Why didn't we get a setup? Well, look at H1. Yeah, we just didn't get a break of structure. Yeah, we're still in an uptrend. You know, there is this level here that's broke, but I would suggest this level here. Yeah, if it starts potentially breaking this level, then again, we could start selling some Canadian dollar pairs, which we'll look at now. All right, so those were the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash that notification button, and if everyone could please smash the like button. Thank you very much. Right, trades for Friday the 5th of April. Before I get started, guys, if I could just mention, first of all, our trading community. If you haven't joined it, there's loads of traders, like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, trades, experiences. So come join the free VIP Discord. Just set up a username and we let you in. Also, guys, right now we've got a great promotion on our VIP Trading Academy where I give you all of my trade signals, all of my tutorials, and you get direct access to me throughout the day. And you can get it for free at the moment. So check that promo out. And also, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. We've got, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. So check it all out. It's all in the video description. Okay, trades for today. So it's no surprise that trades for today are looking at US dollar strength. We were looking at these US dollar pairs yesterday, but we never really got the bearish candle that we needed on the day chart. But now today we do. So we're looking at US dollar strength, but please bear in mind, guys, we've got NFPs later today. Okay, so if you're going to take a US dollar trade, get into it early. So bearing all of that in mind, the first trade we're looking at is this, and I've actually just jumped in on this trade. So it's New Zealand US dollar sells. All right, again, just follow structure. Okay, so you can see we're in a downtrend. We're at this really nice level through here, okay, where price, you can see, has reacted. All right, and you know, not only did it react to these, you know, this area of support and resistance through here, but also this level as well. All right, and we're nicely at the moving average 20, which means we've got a lot of value and we've got, you know, room to move into. And these two blue lines are my targets. All right, so yeah, lots of things to like. I've actually entered this trade, yeah, literally half an hour ago or so. So if we look at the H1 now, all I'm looking for is structure to break down, right? It's not a secret. You know, I'm happy to tell you, happy to share it. It's all about price action, guys. Just follow price action. And this is, you know, was in an uptrend, or this is the H1 chart. And now you can see price has broken down. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. I actually entered on this candle here that broke, you know, broke these last lows. I've entered here, I've put my stop up here, and my first target is this blue line. Right, again, not rocket science, guys. I'm in this trade, and I put this trade into the VIP Trading Academy where I put all of my signals. All right, so let's see how this one plays out. I'm already in this. I'm going to show you the other US dollar pairs I'm looking at, though. The next one is pound US dollar. So again, if we look at the day chart, right, just follow structure. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, and we're back at the last high. Yeah, it was support, resistance, and now it's proved to be resistance again. You know, what a difference a day makes. Yeah, you know, yesterday we was a bit, you know, hesitant to trade it because of this bullish candle. And now yesterday we got a nice bearish reaction at our support and resistance zone. Yeah, happy to trade it now, back down to this blue line, if not here. All right. Again, drop down to the H1. This is breaking down. You could enter this one as well. I just preferred New Zealand US dollar, but yeah, you can just follow H1 structure. You can clearly see we've broken down. Okay, so this is, you know, a perfectly good sell right now as well. Yeah, to take back down to this level. You know, if you're not awake, which chances are you're not, you know, we can just wait for a retrace back up into this grey zone. We get a bearish reaction, and then we can start selling. And it's exactly the same with Euro US dollar. If we look at the day chart, again, you know, what a difference a day makes. Yeah, so right now we're in a downtrend. Okay, we're back at the last highs, what was resistance and support historically. And, you know, when we were looking at this trade yesterday, we only had this daily candle. But now yesterday, this candle formed. Yeah, what a nice candle. Yeah, at the moving average 20, at these last highs, you know, at an area of support resistance, nice big bearish wick. There's a high probability we can take this trade down to this blue line, if not all the way back down to here. And for it to come all the way back down to here would be NFP. Yeah, and again, we've got NFPs today. So Euro US dollar, we're looking to sell for those reasons. And again, yeah, I've got to keep saying again, we've H1's broken down. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Yeah, what I also like is we're below the moving average 20. Yeah, we've broken down. You can start selling here, back down to here, leave some profit to run. Again, if you're watching this, you know, you're not up yet and you're watching this recorded, then wait for a retrace back up to here, bearish reaction, take it lower. All right, guys, so US dollar pairs we are interested in today, and also oil. Yeah, oil's been flying, right? So if we look at the day chart, I still think it has room to move into. So I'm just picking psychological levels, so 8,700 and 8,800. These would be my targets. If we zoom in a little bit now as well, you know, clearly in an uptrend. Bang, look at that. Look at those buying candles. Bullish, 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 a little bit hesitant, but then bang, bullish. Okay, and I like this candle because the body of the candle has broken this last high. So it tells me there's lots of momentum to buy. If we drop down to the H4, you know, if we just, this is more of a H4 trade for me because I like this level, you know, this grey zone. So what was once resistance, when it comes back down, potentially becomes very good support. And we got the moving average 20 coming down. We get a nice bullish reaction in here. We can take price higher. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. But again, I'm still interested in some Canadian dollar levels. So let me just show you quickly. So I'll just show you on the day chart, right? So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Love this level for sells. Okay, we're in a downtrend, right? So love this level for sells. Okay, just don't quite have the bearish reaction as yet, right? Also, pound Canadian dollar. Again, the reaction's not bearish enough, but follow structure, yeah, like this level for potential sells, and also Euro Canadian dollar. Yeah. Again, they're not trade ideas for today because I would need to see a bearish reaction in here. But again, if we follow structure, yeah, it's breaking down at a really nice level, moving average 20. We could also look for sells. Okay. But yeah, just need a bearish daily candle in here. All right, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 5th of April. Before I get started, guys, if you're enjoying the vid, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Right, China is on holiday. Happy Qingming Festival to all our Chinese viewers. But the first piece of news we're interested in is this. At 9:30 London GMT, we've got some construction PMI. Okay, so we're interested in that because that could move any pound pairs. Then if we scroll down, guys, this is the big daddy, big mummy news, right? We've got NFPs, non-farm payrolls at 1:30. These are all London GMT. So this is big news, guys. Yeah, and remember, we like US dollar pairs today. So if you're going to trade it, you need to trade it before this comes out because who knows what could happen to the direction of the US dollar after this. But at the same time, you've got average hourly earnings. You've also got the unemployment rate as well. So, you know, really important data coming out at 1:30. And at the same time, we've got important Canadian dollar news. Yeah, we've got employment change and the unemployment rate. So that, you know, imagine the US dollar, Canadian dollar at 1:30. It's going to go berserk. All right, so yeah, really important news there, guys. And then after that, there's nothing else for us to worry about. So, guys, yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later.